There is coming a day when every eye will see him. The King is coming. For 5 unforgettable days, students from across the country gather to the mountains of New Mexico with one purpose: to behold the greatness of Jesus Christ and prepare their hearts for his return. More than 1,000 students, guided by hundreds of faithful leaders. 5 days filled with faithful preaching, authentic worship, deep friendship, adventure, and moments that only God could orchestrate. The mountains echoed with laughter, but more importantly, the Word of God echoed in the hearts of His people. Nine students from FBC Youth joined what God was doing and returned encouraged, challenged, and reminded that our greatest hope is not found in this world, because our King is coming. This is our story. This is Camp Regeneration.